Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the emoji style on your Android device using Gboard. Do you want to get different styles on emojis on your phone? Well, you're in luck. While you can't change all the emojis on Android, you can use Gboard to add some variety to your emoji game. Let's start with Gboard. If you don't already have it, go ahead and download it from the Google Play. Gboard allows you to combine emojis with Emoji Kitchen. Plus, it gives you options to customize the keyboard with themes. Once you have installed Gboard, open the app and tap on Enable in Settings. This will take you to the Settings menu where you need to toggle on Gboard. Once it's enabled, tap Use to make it your default keyboard. Next, go to your text messaging app and tap to the next text field. You'll see the Gboard keyboard pop up. Now tap on the smiley face icon next to the spacebar and your emojis will appear. From here, you can scroll through, explore all the different emojis options. If you're looking for a specific one, you can always use the search bar. And don't forget with Gboard, you can also use the emoji kitchen to mix and match your favorite emojis. That's it. Now all set and send emojis in a different style using Gboard on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.